So what you're going to want to do is go to this website called savefile.com, which I'll give you the full link description in the description, and it will say the link will take you to required files for geckoos.zip. Right here are the file details, and then what you're going to want to do is go down the page and you're going to click download file. You go down again, and then your download will shortly begin. I've already downloaded the file, so there's no need for me to download it again. So I'm going to go over to my computer over there, and you will get a zip file that says required files for GeckoOS, and then you must extract it, and then it will become this folder. Open this folder, and you're going to get these 4 files. And here is, basically it says private like it does on all WeSave data. So you have these files, you're going to take them out, and you are going to put them on your SD card. Don't worry about this folder, this is just my other folder. And so you have them right here. What to do is go over to my Wii. You are going to put it in the SD card slot. Close it. Okay, so now we're going to go to Wii Options and Data Management, Save Data, Wii, and now we're going to go to the SD card where you have your Twilight hack. And now we're going to copy it to the Wii system memory. And also, before you do this, I recommend that you copy your Twilight Princess, save data, and save it on the computer so it doesn't get erased. Now that you've loaded the Twilight hack onto your Wii system memory, you're going to take your Twilight Princess game, open it up, and put it in your Wii console. Now this part is crucially important, so we're going to start the game. Now you're going to go to the second save file and start it. And this part, listen carefully, because you're going to take your nunchuck, and on the control, you're going to tilt back, and it'll load up the Twilight hack. And you must press reset on your Wii to start the installation. Now it's installing. And then it'll load your Wii system menu in 10 seconds. You can see it says installed successfully. So 3, 2, 1. I'm going to put my import Naruto Shippuden Gekton Ninja Taisen EX2. Haven't played this in months. Load it into my Wii. Alright, now you'll see that channel called GeckoOS has been installed onto your Wii. And here's the menu. It will say launch game, load files from SD, configure menu, about, and exit. So you're going to go to launch game and make sure you have your import game inside, and it's launching it. And I'll say that. See? And here's the Japanese loading screen. There you go. And it works perfectly. Everything looks fine. And so to show you that it works, I'm going to show you some gameplay that I recorded. So here we go.
Naruto Shippuden Gekito Ninja Taisen EX2.
好きないろいろな対戦が楽しめるわよ。はい、さあ、行くわよ。キャラクターを選んでね。やってやるってばよ。ステージを選んでね。
いざ尋常に熱